Hi, Professor B. Here is Lawrence, and this is a vlog that of my final reflection. So after taking Leadership 400, so here are three key ideas that I believe it changed my way to think about conflict and how I can use this to engage conflict in the future. So first of all, I believe that I learned how to manage conflict through this course. And first, I learned what conflict is and how to deal with conflict when I have it with other people. According to the textbook, Have a Nice Conflict. So here is a sentence wrote by Tim, Michelle, and Kent. I think is really good that conflict is the beginning of consciousness. So besides that, MVS and SDI charting, I think, is also really useful. And there are 7 different MVS and different MVS of different people when they argue something may cause the conflict. Just like what I wrote in my first paper, I used to have a conflict with my best friend Jenny, and now after I learned this course, I know that what is MVS and my MVS represents the hub, and my friends is right. So it is easily for us to have conflict because for my characteristics, the hub represents flexible and friendly, but sometimes I am too friendly and flexible that I cannot firm on my decision, and I am too concerned about avoiding quarrels with friends. So if I just have argument with my friends, I try to avoid the quarrel rather than solving the problems. And right now, I know that I should firm enough in future. Just like if we have some arguments, I should firm on what I believe. It is better for us to solve the issues rather than only try to avoid the quarrels. And the second key point I learned is the crucial conversation, which is also really useful, not only in just conflict, but also in communication with others and in the daily life and the work. And I find out I am not good at describing the gap area and stay focused area, which I read the textbook, the crucial conversation, and I finish the forum, and I find I am really weak in these 2 areas. And through learning this course, after I reading the book and write the assignment too, and I believe I am learn something about the crucial discussions, and I should be polite and suggest others to stay out of the gaps by asking for permission and rather than treating questions one at a time. So this is the first one is from the describing the gap area, and the second one is from the focus area. I should deal with them step by step so to stay focused and be accountable could also allow me to trust others and also be trusted. And I personally believe trust is really important when I deal things with people. And moreover, accountability could improve my performance. So I should use the crucial conversation in my future. And the third key point is the negotiation skills. I learned what is the principled negotiation. The 4 part first in separating people from the problem, and second one focus on the interest, not the position, and even opinions for the motor gain and objective criteria must be used. Right. And these 4 principal negotiations could help me a lot when I communicate with others in the future, because we need to negotiate with people all the time, right? Different people have different ideas, so we try to get the same point and avoid uh, the don't think point. So negotiation skills is really important. And that's all of my presentation. And thank you so much.